let's talk about navigation. The first thing that you need to do if you want to rotate your camera is just tap with your finger on the open document or outside your 3D model, as you see on screen. That blue dot represents my finger on the iPad. If I tap and just rotate and just move my finger around like that, you can see it's just rotating the model. But if I hold two fingers against the screen, now I can tilt by rotating them around. And if I pinch my fingers closer together, I'm zooming out. And if I pinch them apart from each other, I'm zooming in. You can also tweak the navigation settings by going up to the top right corner under this gear icon, and then going over to navigation. And you can see you can tweak rotation speed, the zoom speed, and you can also tweak the navigation axis when rotating. So if we tweak the rotation speed, by default it's set to 1.5. So if I rotate or zoom into my model, this is the default speed. So now if I tweak this to like 5, now my rotation will happen way faster. Same thing goes for zoom. So if I dull this down, now you see the zooming is way slower. The rotation axis means that once you press with two fingers, then you let go of one finger and now you're rotating your model. But if you want this rotation to be controlled in a specific axis, then you can switch this rotation to rotation Y. And now if I do this, you can see the rotation only happens in the Y-axis. You can also change the center of navigation on pinch. So let me just bring the zoom speed up a little bit. So this means that once I zoom in, it's going to zoom in to the center of where my two fingers are. So if I zoom in over here, you can see it's zooming into that area where my fingers are. If I turn this off, however, it's going to zoom into the model regardless of where you start pinching on your screen. Roll gesture is this ability. So if I turn this off, now you see that roll gesture is no longer active. So the next thing we're going to look at is also touch navigation. What if I am so zoomed in that I cannot find any place where I can touch outside of the model? So if I use my finger, I cannot rotate the model. I'm instead sculpting. If you want to switch this off, we have a new setting now, which is touch navigation. If you go to the top right corner and click this settings button, and then under input, you can find this little button here called touch navigation. If you turn this on, now when the iPad detects that it's a finger that you're pushing against the screen, it knows it's not a sculpting action, it's a rotation and navigation action. So now when I touch the model with my finger, I'm no longer sculpting, but instead I'm navigating around the mesh. And what this means is that I can use both my fingers and my Apple Pencil to keep sculpting, moving the mesh around, sculpting in a more intuitive and natural way. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.